Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's DIY video, I'm going to be starting off with Dollar Tree frame. I picked an 8x10 frame, and now I'm going to go ahead to remove the parts that I don't need. I will need the glass for this particular project. So what I'm going to do is use a strong adhesive and a hot glue gun to attach the glass back to the frame. I need the glass to be as sturdy as possible, and because the gap between the glass and what's going to hold it in place is too far, so I'm going to be removing some parts of what was behind the frame to attach it to the glass before securing it. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. This is a requested video, and this was the picture that was sent to me, and I fell in love with the design, so I'm going to be using some Dollar Tree items to recreate this look. In the picture that was sent to me, it had something on 4 sides holding it up, and it was part of the design, so I will be using corner braces to mimic that look. And I'm using these sizes of corner braces. Now I will be taking them out and spray painting them gold to go with the gold frame that I'm working with. I'll get the midpoint of all 4 sides before attaching the corner braces. You should know that because the Dollar Tree frames are not strong and you cannot just have screws go directly on them, you have to pre-drill holes first. So that's what I'm doing. I'm pre-drilling holes first on the frames before using screws to attach the corner braces to it. I'm going to keep this aside and take a Dollar Tree chopping mat. And I took just 1 sheet, and I will be cutting down this to the size that I would need for the project. I measured what I needed from the frame, and then when I had my pieces, I just folded them to make it easy for me to attach all of these 4 pieces together that would fit in the frame. I went ahead to attach all of the pieces using a strong adhesive and hot glue. Now that I have the size that I want, I will be attaching this to the frame here, and I will be attaching it with hot glue and screws, making sure that the chopping mat is properly secured to the corner braces. To give this an interesting look, I will be adding Dollar Tree confetti, and I will be using just the gold part, and for my adhesive, I'll be using Mod Podge. I'm applying Mod Podge to the chopping mats and to the glass that comes with the Dollar Tree frame too as well. When I was done, I let this dry, and then the next day, this is what it looked like. It was so shiny and pretty. Now I'm going to keep this aside and then add the other corner braces that I have to the existing corner braces that are on the frame. This is going to elevate the height and also add to the design like the inspiration photo. I need this to be extended out more, so I'll be using PVC. And you should know the wood can be used too as well. I'm going to cut this to smaller pieces and spray paint them gold and attach it to the design. For the very top, I'm going to be using a piece of wood, and this is a chalkboard that I will be covering the smooth part with gold contact paper. I already marked out where all of the 4 pieces that is on the design are going to be on the board to make it easy for me to know exactly where I'm supposed to have pre-drilled holes on. So these are the 4 points. Now I'm going to have this attached to the 4 points, and I'll be using screws to attach them together. I'll have to cover the corner braces because it's obvious that they're corner braces, right? So I'm going to be using bling wrap, and I got the gold. I cut it down to size and I glued it on. I'll be using remote control push lights for this particular lighting DIY. And the lights can be put either on the wood like this, or you can just flip it over and have the lights placed inside to make it easy to have access to put it in or take it out. At a point, I didn't really like the bling wrap that I put here, so I'm going to be changing that to napkin holders. And the link for this and all of the items I use for this project is going to be down in the description box below. I'll be using command strips to mount this to the ceiling, and this can hold up to 16 pounds. And here's what it looks like on the ceiling. And I really love the way it turned out. It is close to the inspiration photo. I mean, I did change 1 or 2 things, but I love the way it turned out, and it's so pretty. Apart from having this mounted on the ceiling, you can also have this on the wall. I mean, why not? I tried it out, and this is what it looks like as a wall sconce. So whichever way you have this mounted, it's still gonna look pretty.
Created a space in my head, it was empty, but I know that I want to be where you are. I was denied. I had spent those years, did not recognize the person that's inside.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.